In this video, you'll learn how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience from a file. By following these steps, you will successfully upload your contacts from a CSV file into your Mailchimp account, allowing for more efficient email marketing efforts. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials and log into your account to access the necessary features. Next, locate the Create button on the dashboard. This is usually found in the top navigation menu. Click on Create to open a drop-down menu where you can select various options. After selecting, look for the option labeled Email, which will direct you to the email campaign. After that, you may see a prompt to close a window. Click on Close if this message appears, as it will allow you to return to the main email creation screen. Once you are back, look for the section labeled To, which indicates who you are sending the email to. In the To section, you will see a message asking, who are you sending this email to? Click on the To button, which will take you to a new screen where you can manage your audience contacts. From here, look for the option that says Add Contacts. Once you click on Add Contacts, a new menu will appear. Select the option labeled Import Contacts to proceed with importing your contacts from a file. You will then be directed to the Import Options page where you can choose how to upload your contacts. Next, click on Upload a File. This action will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Ensure that your contacts are in the CSV format to avoid any compatibility issues. After clicking, a file selection window will open, allowing you to browse your local files. After you have selected the appropriate CSV file containing your contacts, click on the Continue button. This step is crucial as it initiates the file upload process. Depending on the file size and your internet connection speed, this may take some time, so be patient while the system processes your upload. Once the file is uploaded, you will see an option to select a file again. Click on this if prompted to confirm your file selection. After that, you should see the file name displayed on the screen, confirming that the correct file has been. Next, click on the Continue button again to proceed with the import process. The system may take a moment to prepare your contacts for import. During this time, you may see a loading indicator. Once the preparation is complete, you will be prompted to organize your contacts. At this stage, what you should see a message recommending that you keep all your contacts in one audience. This is important for maintaining organized contact data. Click on Continue to move forward with the import process. Following this, you will be required to continue multiple times as you confirm the settings for your contact import. Each click will guide you through the necessary steps until you reach the final confirmation screen. Once you reach the step labeled Finalize Import, click on it to complete the process. This action will finalize the upload of your contacts into Mailchimp. After this, you will be directed to the final confirmation screen. Finally, click on Complete Import to officially finish the process of importing your contacts. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your contacts have been successfully imported into your Mailchimp. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.